What is happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is an impromptu video. So last weekend, travelled down the road, picked up 2 new trailing arms and hubs and shafts for the BM because my wheel bearing was knackered. I'll show you a wee video here.
Do with that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
So went down the road on Saturday, picked them up, got back to the unit, fitted them, finished at like 1 in the morning or something like that, to go to a car meet up in Edinburgh. Now about 2-3 miles away from this meet, I needed to go to the toilet. So I stopped for the toilet, got back in the car, and I thought, I'll be the true baller here and do a big massive burnout down the road. Brought the revs up, banged the clutch out, the wheels went, and I snapped what I think is the input flange into the diff. So the car is currently, you can't see it, hold on. Oh, fizzy. Car is currently right there, next to this lovely brown Lexus and an Aristo and another BMW. Massive shout out to Chris Purves, who came and picked the car up and has stored it for the last week. I have now been up to Lochgelly, picked up a new diff. Fortunately it's an open diff. I had a 338 diff in mine, it's now got a 307, but I'll run about with the open diff for a wee bit until I can get another diff sorted. Chris has been nice enough to lend me a hand and also use his garage to fix it. So yeah, massive shout out to them. I'd also want to give a shout out to sponsors for the Diff to Norm. No, it's backwards. Check out difftonorm.bigcartel.com, all the merch is on there. But I want to give a big shout out to Joint Gather Photography. If you haven't seen his work, go check him out on Facebook and Instagram. Amazing photographer, makes any car look, and even made my BM look really, really good. Go get a photo shoot once it's fixed. Be amazing. What else? Oh, I was going to shout someone else out there and I totally forgot. Oh, Mark. Mr. Mark Ward. Now, I'll bring his truck to the channel at some point. He was nice enough to lend me this beautiful, ignore this crap, 530D automatic, but it's amazing on fuel. It's got me to work all week, it's got me to Lochgelly, and it's got me out to Chris's yard, his garage. So yeah, we'll cut to when we start working on this. I'm just waiting on him coming in. We'll take the diff out and we'll inspect it, see what damage I've actually done. So look forward to this. Okay, new diff. Fuck diff. I have noticed though, this has got a 4-bolt flange, and unfortunately it's a open diff. Can maybe sort that. This is a 4-bolt flange. Can't see. Don't even think there's a torch in here. Oh wait, there we go. Aye, this is a 4-bolt flange. So thankfully, I think I don't have to change the prop. I can just put that straight in. But yeah, and then we'll take this off and have a look and see what damage there is. So yeah, this is what we found. And there's also at the bottom there, see it? There's the input shaft and all the shims. So yeah, that way broken. Apart from that, this is a good diff, look, good welds. Yeah, now the question is, do I weld this one and get it in? So the decision was made. It's getting welded. Well, diff's all welded. Back in. So hopefully get it back together. There we go. Need to put everything up. You got a backlash, a major. But yeah, well seen, it's taken a bit of a beating underneath. The oil leak, need to get it sorted. Damage from when I snapped my bolts. Terrible engine though. Just ridiculous low. Everyone's just taking a bath and like, look at this. Like, look, all the way along. Need to watch, look, it started catching the fucking brake line. Bit of the fuel line. But yeah. Just a good old bus. But take it out for a test drive soon. See how it goes on. Okay, so it's actually been 2 days since I fixed the car. It's now Monday. I fixed the car on Saturday. Oh no, I fixed the car on Friday. I picked the car up on Saturday. I did test it. I put it through a stress test. The wheel's never broken the diff, so that's a bonus. And then drove all the way up to Edinburgh, down to Livingston, crossed to Glasgow and then back home. Never been an issue, drove to work today and back. So yeah, fixed for now, till the next thing breaks, because gym and engineering, you know, amazing. All meant to be. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe. I'd really appreciate if like you could share it as well now. I don't know, I just want to hit a goal of 100 subscribers. If I can hit 100 people, I'll be happy. Never started this to make it big. But yeah, any help would be appreciated. So I'll get back to you with some more content. We have an issue at the unit where we've got no space to do anything. So as soon as that issue is solved, we can start again. But hopefully see you in the next one.